everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have for you all another unboxing, and what I'm trying to do, guys, if you guys think that I'm doing a lot of unboxings, is because I'm trying to show you guys all of these awesome products that you can order from the comfort of your home. Some of you all tell me where you live you can't get any Trini food, you can't get any Trini items, and from the guys from All From One Supplier, you can get any of your items shipped directly to the comfort of your home. So today's box, what I have here is the curry goat and bus up shot box. Now this box is $49.99 inclusive of shipping, and what you get in this box is you get 2 solo, 1 pack of caramel with 4 pieces, curry potato, the curry goat, and everything comes still frozen, and we get 2 bus up shots. So what I'm going to do is, let me heat up this, put it together on a plate, and show you guys just how amazing it looks. So guys, here I have the curry potato with the curry goat, and I also have the roti. It's really nice and soft, it smells really good, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to give it a taste. So let's taste this and see if the goat is nice and soft. Oh, I can tell that it's soft. This smells so good, guys. So good.
Is it good or no? It's good.
It's really good.
Yes.
Wow.
It's like it's yummy.
Very delicious. So guys, I'm going to sit down and I'm going to enjoy my lunch. Thank you All From One Supplier for supplying me, and I don't have to cook today. That's a good thing. Sometimes even I get fed up of cooking. So if you guys miss Trini food, you can order all of these amazing goodies and more, like bacon shack, curry duck, fish, anything you want. You can order it from allfromonesupplier.com. Their information to purchase will be in the description box. Click on that link down below. And remember, they do have a lot of preset boxes, so check out for that. Check out all of their frozen meat boxes where they can ship you the items and you cook it. And also check out their Punta Cana trip for this July 2021. It's coming up really soon. So thank you all so much for joining me today. I'm going to sit back and enjoy my curry goat and my bus up shot along with a solo, and then have a caramel for dessert. Thank you all so much. Go check them out and place your order today. Bye everyone.